That's not a Raptor. What's up, guys? Good morning. Getting a daily, the S209. A little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and get another code start in. Got to give it the morning jiggle. It's always important to let your Subaru warm up to temperature, especially with the head gasket failures and stuff like that. But just any car in general, it's not good just to hop in and go. Let me try to get it to focus on my face. For some reason it's missing, but there it goes. But it's just, you know, let your car warm up to operating temperature and then take off. The car will have a lot less maintenance, a lot less leaks, and you'll have a lot less problems. So always let it get up to temp, at least that first mark, at like the bare minimum, if not, you know, all the way. And you'll, like I said, have less maintenance and everything to worry about, and it won't cause as much any issues. But she's up to temp, so we're gonna head into work since we already late. 6:44, September 25th. Gotta look back at it. That's how you know you bought the right one. Look at that thing. Looks good. Alright, let's get to work. We're already late. I must have left a light on. Yep, hood light. Guys, I think we're going to be putting some I can't even talk to this morning. AMS parts on the Raptor today. Finishing up this car, it just had an exhaust leak. Grab them out. New one today. Ultra blue. That kind of matches the color of the C10. When do you get the TV all up and working? I think this thing might be kind of a distraction, but something to watch when the customers are waiting. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, catch y'all guys in a little bit. Gotta get to work. We're going to throw on the AMS turbo pipes, which I don't know where you set them. But AMS. So this is what it comes with. That and some clamps. Open the Raptor up a little bit. There it goes. Oh yeah. Guess step one will be getting the air box off. probably get this out of the way and be easier. Because we have to get, well.
I can get through there, through the fender well.
Oh, okay.
But I also had to see all these Johnnies. I need a stool.
Alright. And there's just a few things down here you have to disconnect.
Yeah, 4 of them.
Huh?
4 of them.
4 of them.
Just stick that up there for now.
Yeah. It's stuck to that one too.
Yeah, there's some clips are gonna pop up. Now let's see how I can get down here.
Here's the stuff you have to unhook, and just get you like a flat blade and just pop these out and then they come off. And then you see that one in the back, if I can get it to focus. Yep, that blue one, that's another one that you gotta pull off down there towards the bottom. And then you're gonna have to come in through the fender. If you can see the turbo right there, that's where it connects. And then we'll have to take it off there and then pull the whole pipe up and out.
There's another connector.
Another connector. Alright. All you gotta do is get a long extension and then you can back the front of the inlet off. Alright guys, and then just snake it out.
Get that.
Oh, this is hooked in there, you'll have to get that out.
It's hooked up underneath this pump.
Up underneath there.
And then
that tube goes to here. Not sure how you get it off. It just twist and pull. And then here's your comparison. So and then these are marked right and left. So, and you're going to kind of want to stick with the orientation of how that goes. But yeah, you can tell right there. It's a lot bigger. And this will go in here. And you just have to put the clamp back on it. Not too bad of an install so far. We're going to go ahead and remove this side. It's got a little clip up under here. Bingo, bango, ready to go.
not all clips are built the same.
Right.
Okay, and then we already popped it loose here, so just gotta take the
Just gotta take the
turbo loose.
Yep, so this will be the same on this side. You'll just have to take a long extension and get on that turbo.
Can you see the inlet on this one?
Oh.
Perfect.
Alright.
And weasel her out somehow.
And you just gotta snake it out.
This one's got
Is it caught?
it's off the turbo.
Looks like it's a little tighter on that side. There we go. Alright, so yeah, just like I said, watch the orientation.
Get it as close as you can.
Yeah, and get it close as you can. And that's going to make it go back together smoother. So see how everything is lined back up right? So whenever you slide it off in there, you don't have to, you can't adjust it once it's down off in there. I think it might need to go this way a little bit. Yep. That looks like it.
Go to your new home.
Alright, we're going back in with the bigger pipe.
Needs lubrication. Just put that anywhere.
You dropped the oil. Watch out.
Watch out now.
Easy.
Dark.
Alright guys, I had to step away for a little bit, help some customers out, but Adrian's got it back together.
Just got to tighten the lower turbo.
Both of them?
Yep.
Oh.
I wanted to get the whole system together. That way, if we need to do any tweaking, we could do some tweaking before we tightened everything up. After that's it, just tighten some stuff up and we're good to go.
Heck yeah. Alright, all he's got to do is tighten the turbo inlets, and then be good. This right here, it's a little tough to get these hoses. So what we did, this was turned inwards, and we just tweaked it around so this fits better. And it all went back together pretty smoothly. Next, we're going to do the AMS turbo outlets. So he's just tightening those. We're going to do the outlets and probably do a tune. I'm going to put the cob on this, not go HP tuners, just because we like the cob stuff. And actually I might do it on both, who knows. That way we have
files for both.
Yeah, exactly. So I might just pull out HP tuners and go ahead and mess with it before we get the cob in. But so if you have a 17 plus Raptor, that's kind of the walkthrough on that. Just make sure your orientations of the couplers on the bottom is right, and you will have some difficulty sliding it in, but just get it positioned right and they go on in there. This side is definitely worse with sliding it back in. This side is not too bad. So we'll get it together and start it up, see if it makes any more different sounds.
I don't know why they designed this clamp to be all the way up underneath this thing.
Oh, that bottom one?
So people wouldn't fuck with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't be messing with it.
Tucking this wire out of here so that it doesn't get in the way of anything. And
yeah, the two clips we took off there on the factory, it doesn't have it, so just tuck that back in there.
put a zip tie on it if need be.
Yeah, zip tie. Oh, look at that. Now you see me, now you don't.
Gone.
Alright, we're going to fire it up, see if it sounds any different. Well, it runs. Seems like it revs better. Alright. We'll let her warm up, take her for a ride. Alright guys, we're going to take the GT-R to the track tonight. First we're going to spray it off. We're here at the car wash now. Tommy's gonna spray this thing off. Knock all the dust off it.
Yeah.
I didn't hear you say it, but did you tell him you're gonna take it to the track?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll get to see that. See what it puts down.
Right.
Pretty much
It's
stock.
gonna be on gas tonight.
Yeah, on 93 tonight. The next time, I'll be on different E85, different turbos.
Yep.
What size turbos?
FT green.
FT green. Green like that. Wheel degreaser.
Right.
Pretty much it. Just a quick rinse off.
Yep. Get it all shiny.
Yep. As soon as he's finished with the spot-free rinse, we'll go ahead and head back to the shop. We'll see y'all back there. Alright, back at the shop. Betty's here. She's getting a new pump. Gonna see what she runs at the track.
Alright guys, we're at the track. Ran Betty. First pass, it ran on 1060 foot, so that was actually pretty good, but wheel hopped a pretty good bit, went to fourth. I think it still ran an 8.6, and then second pass, blew through the clutch and ran, what it ran, like a 8.4.
Yeah, I think so. Give me a look.
At like 86 miles an hour. So we're gonna let it cool down, run the GT-R at the next test and tune. Until then, we're gonna watch some racing, so we'll probably put that in here. And
Catch you later.
right, catch you later.
Peace.
Peace. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we just got through running the GT-R. First run, no launch, just off the idle. We ran it like 750 at 100 miles an hour. And second run, the guy took too long on the launch control and shut it down. So we're going to call it a night. We'll come back on a testing tube and give it another shot. We'll probably just go ahead and have it on the E85. We might not have the turbos on yet. But we're going to shut the video down here. Guys, if you like what you've seen in this thing, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Drop a comment below if you got any questions. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.